Did you know we got 17 callbacks yesterday from happy customers? I've never seen anything like it in 20 years of dispatching. Sarah, you should hear these calls. Mrs. Johnson from Maple Street called to say her house is ice cold now and her system barely runs. She was convinced she needed a new unit, but after our tech did that ACF flush restoration, she says it's working better than when it was new. Then Mr. Rodriguez called asking if we can do the same thing for his neighbor. He says his air feels twice as strong, and his electric bill dropped $40 last month. He's telling everyone on his block about it. The crazy part is, these aren't even warranty calls. People are calling just to thank us. Mrs. Chen said her house used to take 3 hours to cool down, and now it's comfortable into 40 minutes. She's already referred her sister and 2 co-workers. I'm having to schedule callbacks just for referral requests. Word is spreading through whole neighborhoods about this restoration service. It's like nothing I've ever seen. Ask your HVAC technician about AC Flush.